Jane ho eye wana beboa wo me ba ne masua ne minim na me beka ho asem na me de bia be ye futu di ama wo na ma twe woni ene wa adwena ba wo so o mai bia e wa asase so no me pam che omo ama join ne nyina me chia wo bia modoso me ma wo bia akwa aba nso o mai bia e wa asase a yetisoe no se o mai no ebetumi enya na somdwie oman ni betumi etumpon oman ni betumi enya ahoto oman ni betumi akọ nanim sede wo se ekwa asodie no da oman ma ne so okay untumi ntena wo man mu na wo expect say obi nsori mfiri wono ne man mu na wo meye wo man yi ma untumi ntena wo kurumu na wo expect say obi nsori mfiri wono ne kurum na wo nya ne kurunto na wo meye wo kuruma eti se wo busuan wo mu se wo awanko ansori anyina anhwe wo busuan yie a mpe ahoto ne anigye asomdwie ene abrabopa ama busuan no na wo ye me baabi saa entime nso mehwe bi saa abusuan ne bekoso atara wo hia ne ahokyerem awreho no wosum adendwene kodan dem saa emfie bebrebe. It takes only one person na obesori atina temi ade abusuan ne siwo saa na omai bi ate nti se wo omai mu na wo man ewa asomdwie a bo asomdwie a wo man ni kuta ho ban se o man ne wa ahoto a bo asomdwie a wo man ne wo ne ho ban se o man ne wo ne fa ho di a bo asomdwie a wo man ne wo ne ho ban nye pre ne echen sa fa beka ho na emomo no entena se enhwe na enya hwehan na wonye se media memfa ho media de ekoso de se media enya mienti menkami empanimfo bu baby omobe omubu ye na omo se wokọ ne se aboa bi esi wonu ya bi so a asemo a wose ubie wano a asemo a ubie wano a wose firi wano ba ne se he aboa sori firi yenso na nkase sori firi ne so because o ka kire ne se on sori firi ne so no o sori firi ne so a na oba wo so but se o ka kire se sori firi yenso de a o sori firi wo nua no so a wo hunu se wo de wo ho aka ho nti no obegya wo ho akọ me sankofa me yesa nkrofo ni bia enkrofo na omonka sori firi ne so na emom sori firi yenso no me ka sa nkrofo ne ho bi penimfo nso ka wona sem bi se obanyansafo bia no me hunu yanka eya ontan nka okay me hunu yanka obanyansafo eya ontan nka because se wo hunu de ebesi nanimu a gise ehinta no se ehinta no ne da di kire no na wo hunu se sei na de ebe ye bekọ akọwi a osori dinasi a no kwan se de obeka me wa se de kasa me hunu yanka no empie na no ma mi di dwuma bi ewo bi di anim dwuma die na mi die no eya me ne wo a wo tare dwuma die na chi wo a wo hwe dwuma die no wo a wo support dwuma die no in any way especially wo like video no mani duro chiri na wo share ma amanfo mu o nsaka no eya wo na me ne wo di dwuma no wo ka sa nkrofo no ho because eya message bi na ye de ba montene ye twe Ghana fo ni aba won ho so e wo kwan bi a enipakuo bi ebo ato Ghana ho a ekwan na wo mo bo ato no ho no omo bo afa oman no achi omo bo afa oman na nim di akopie oman na achi na omo di oman ne bone afiri na achi dia be pie nanimu a omo beduru nanimu on sanse omo se na wie nti oman ma no yentumi nye ho hwe bio. Yes. Omo bo ekwan bi na ekwan na omo bo no. Omo akosha ase afiri oman nachi. Omo nim se omo sha ase afiri oman nanimu a ye behu omo ntem. Enti omo akosha ase afiri achiri e na omo bo kwan ne ba. Omo be sey afiri achiri sa na omo be duro ni omo duro ni mu a afei baby omo duro no oman ma ne kwa enye ye because omo chi no asay already. Hwe me ka bibi di akere wo. Sa sumo ya dabia me sorry a me beka ho asem no. Me beka ho asem no. Da chibi o e na sankofa mo behunu se abrante no eye no kre. Se na wo botaya na wodi dwumadi na odi no. Enye se bia me ni dwumadi. Enti obi ba omo aye ka omo somo no ho asem ba na omo beto ye social media ena pa adwuma ye ena oni adwuma ye ena pa adwuma ye ya no omo ho ya mesere ye adwuma to de bia ye po adwuma ni bi ba ye po ye adwuma pa nanso yam pese ye bema ne ye hwehwe no honam mu ene de ye hwehwe no wo ye wiase mu no yam pese ebeya dia emfa so pa anase enya dia emfaso ne beye yenko anemum ebeye emfaso a enchirima no obeba yewuo chi no omonso beka omonsa beka emfaso ne binti enu ntina ye brese dan kora no a ye make sure say ye beba na message ayensa aka no ye de abrew na ya twen wadwene ene woni aba wo so enkremosom na meka ho asem da bi a no menimu de meye na menimu de meka nansan niema bi ikoso wo Nigeria okay esense kroni ben yenti ena da bi ye kasa na ye de hono na kasa esense ufiri Nigeria eba Ghana no emu ntwe enti aboa no eti Nigeria man so se Ghana fo ya nsori ya nkasa nkyere aboa no se onsori mfiri ye nso nemum ye ka kire se onsori mfiri Nigeria nko anso a hunu ye se wodi firi Nigeria eba Ghana no emu ntwe ti ofiri Nigeria so anu wode eba Ghana so na afi wa beto ahye Ghana so na osei Ghana ye se wo gusu a wo sei Nigeria ogusu sei ko ogusu a wo sei ko a ye wo akra bi a wo munni fo akra bi a wonsa ho ni fin wonsa ho ni moja nanso ye hwe won kra gu because of nipa bi won anida so bi a wo susu se wo benya ne dan kwama wuo chi nti wo je sa akra de free wonsem eno na me san kofa me se me ma ne nto me man ma mehwe na mabɔ ho dawura akere won makamu asem de akere won nese wofa na woti asem no a ayemfa so de ama won nese wamfa na wamfa nto na ma won me de mawie madwuma bia sa mere beduru no na sankofa mekɔ enipa yemmedi kyari bia wa asase so emere kakra bi na yeda yanim yemfie na aboro so 90 9500 ukɔ ade achi ade ese nyina nsoso no na emfie no esu hwan na eba fom ye mana ye wo no na ebesi ya na mu enti se emere se ni duru na se ye no ye wu na ye kwa na se sata mu no besi ya ma no so a edie na ye ma ne beye omaso mo be kan se ye mpapa nom ye nananom ye ne gyanom odi kan no wona mo kwan pan to ho ama yen enti de ene ya beto yi mu no ya beto mu no ye de sobo ne bo won sa sobo no me pesa wo ka me ho na da achi bi ye wu ochi no ye ma ne ye ma nananom emfa moye ma hunu se kidnapping koso wo Nigeria pa that Boko Haram for no asha se kidnappo a na omo request skafiri wo se wo anya sika no a no omo kun nanse omukọ attack a whole village nipadom omunya ye no omu twa sika de ma omu twa sika de to omu so village sika saya na wo ho edom no keka omu nsase ye no omu ntimi anya sika na no omu request no emfiri won chen kaka na onya ye no na entimi embeli nipa nyina I think say nipa over 50 something omu je mu nipa be 20 something wana waka nyina no waje the whole village no womu nyina waje womu nsam sika o sika na omu nya ye na sense anso ransom na womu hwehwenti womu jai bi ema wana oka ye no wokunkum wo mo ewo na busua anim ya sasem wo ya meka no enkobo ya mene wudie no ni nyina no na ba dua no eye nkremosom na ba aso no na ye hunu bie no mene wo ba be kai the sira okay the sira of Muhammad from Ibn Ishaq me be kai sira ne de akere da bia sankofa ya no meka sasem wi Muhammad ye kromfo Muhammad ye kromfo Muhammad ye kromfo Muhammad dane kromfo oka obi tie kire na dwene se eya atam na wudie da bi ne nkrofo ade wo ne nam no nim se na wo mu nim se wo ye kromfo enti program ye no Saturday and Sunday do muhunu ye Muhammad a request for your friend say private conversation or request for whole consultation fee part 2 no ye kan the tafsir of Ibn Abbas no Ibn Kathir no ye hunu ye say enkrofo ni hunu se Muhammad ebo omokro no nti eye nipa baako enu onya ne wi ano within an hour Muhammad hunu se nya de omubedi emara ne so no wa abrogate emara no because omu hunu se wo bebo omokro no the same Quran ma yete ase say womokọ akronobo no abi womokọ akronobo no obo japade omunya ye no there was a red velvet abia na wom na omo hwehwe red velvet na no wom hunu they later accused Muhammad. Do you think say na wom nim say Muhammad ntisa why would them accuse their leader the pacha o say omo nim say Muhammad nya kromfo a why would them accuse him? Why would it come into their mind? Because they should suspect Muhammad. They knew who Muhammad was. Omunim abraba obono nabo. Omunim said the any panicity. Enti. Almost suspected. Muhammad Allah amara meti ni pane tunchire omo. Muhammad Allah o kachire omo ne say. And some fata somafo say obeye sa ade no. Na emom no omonka womanu ntum na womontwen nipa na wo wi ade no dan kwama temu oda no ode ade ni besi ni kon ho aba na sa red velvet no ala ebu atan no nipa ne de red velvet no panty kokwa ase sentoma kokko se whatever ne to no kon no ode ba temu oda na satam na ala de bema omo di Muhammad yachi na mo macha na nyansanim okay na omuni Muhammad now yan hwade abera Muhammad estate ne nsamfon ewo Mecca asase so no wo motata Muhammad ya Muhammad edwane kotena Medina na onya adom kakra kan no ho no Muhammad bedane kromfo ewo sere nso eno na me ne wo ba be kan no okay hwekwan no wo faso attack nkrofo because number 1 Muhammad no ade a wasa uhunu ni say wono no wo yi obi a na wo ye hiani okay na onne ne ho eye Khadija ene fa no ena oman na djuma na oya na ne nsa kona no enti enam sokora ma Khadija ye dey eche ne ware ne by force Khadija ewu aja no wajai adwuma na wo ye a edi sika bere no wasi okwa akoda ne konfo ne konfo na okwa akoda ne no sika mfiri mu ma enti wo ade na wo beye na Muhammad shas say or dane kromfo wo desert ne so me de wura ngomanim me na wo kenkai the sira from Ibn Ishaq me na wo ba be kenkai je mere ne tie nsem no yie na hwe ade ya da Muslim say ai Mekafo no ai ayi wo na koka Muhammad ntokwa ena Muhammad no enso so ne nkrofo to hye wo mo so ena ala ma wo mo oda sa wo mo nkontokwa na brebrebe na brebre he sanse mo yo mo kan nyina da bia me kasa asem wo se kire mo say in Islam yan kan kore emfa nti som ne to emma dom mfiri som ne mu enti me sankofa sa wo ba ha ne se me kire me koti Quran aya de ayen kire me kan asem bi wo hadisi mu de yen kire ne se opese wo hunu no kora. It is better for you to go back and read whatever I quoted and konko busa malambi and now shake bi because he or she is not going to tell you the truth. Obey cover up on kind of current channel and until na sangofa me baby ana me life wa I see to it say a hadisa mebo modern say me de be to mechi ube hunu number no what the tro na fato anase screenshot do the screenshot na uwi a onso ko research na kan say Quran aya me de be ba beto so say ofe say untimi a odi atra say ube ye screenshot na odi ato uwi a bo modern say ube kwa kokan na ko say de sanko fa ka no etisa ana entisa because uko malam wa on kan korenchino uko shake you on kan korenchino they were not trained to speak the truth, but rather they were trained, to give out lies to people for them to accept Islam. That is the fundamental of Islam. Truth and Islam has nothing to do. You can never be a truthful and at the same time being a Muslim. It's impossible. Okay? You can never be a truthful person and at the same time being a Muslim. It's impossible. Until you look out there, Obi to say Ali Sisi, okay, Imam Ali Sisi. The guy was an imam. Imam, and yet he wasn't just an ordinary Muslim, an imam. But what Shas say? Mahunu no kurebia ya die se ya che ma membra monten na me kan kire me nuanom no asembe na Muslims ka kire no ka kire say he was not a good Muslim because any good Muslim must be a liar. You can never be a Muslim and at the same time be a truthful person. It is impossible. Eye se ekoba ne sa no wo hu wa whoever you are they will tell you you were not a Muslim. Thank you. Mama fan kongo bedu. Cheme meba. Gina soma me na memfa wo enkongo manum sisie na menkyere wade ketewa bi. Why? Yenhwe Muhammad kro no said the si shase na wonso wo hunu said the okay. Enye hwade mame. The first caravan, okay? The first caravan of Muhammad enkrofo any Muhammad ekobo won kro no eho asem ne ye beka no. Okay? The first caravan okolutu wo mo ewo sere no so no. Ye ba bekenkai bomodin na tie mu nsem no na mo me say everything that asem bi ebe free man no aka bi a free man no ba bi American fa Muhammad be bia no minimum the American min kan tron to Muhammad so nyehwe. Okay, enti ya hade we say Sirad Rasulillah ba Ibn Ishaq. Enti eni we say shortly after this expedition to Badr, and apostles sent Abdullah bin Jahsh and eight immigrants on a journey. He gave a letter to Abdullah, but ordered him not to read it till the end of the 2 days. 2 days march. He also told him to avoid giving offenses to any of his companions. And to Muhammad, asoma ne nkrofo a edi na chifiri meka no wasoma wo mo na ode letter ehye baako ensem na o ka kire ne say letter na ma nte letter na no je se edi 2 days ansa wo mo na ntiem na o make sure say one more wode wo ba kan ho no wo offend obi a okay yet one common so enti say after Abdullah had marched 2 days journey, he opened the letter and found it contained the following instructions. Go on to Nakla, okay, between Mecca and Al-Taif, and keep watch over the Quraysh there and bring back news of their businesses. And Muhammad, say, they should go into two in Colombia Arabia Peninsula hono. Na omo spy Mecca for no Quraysh no womu dwadie na womu die no say na ekoro mejo so pa menu asisu womu dwadie na womu die businesses na womu die no say na ekoro na omo news no emere womu tio Muhammad soma ne nkrofo odi na chi say omo nko Mecca omo nko enkromie no womu susu say ehọ de Quraysh fo ne kodidwa wo ho okay nti womo nko no womo mfa wo bani nko he na womo nko boss pa ne womo hunu se de businesses no ekoro okay yanko ye ne mo o say then he told his companions okay o say okay and keep watch over Quraysh there and bring back news of their businesses. Abdullah said, I read it and obey. Okay. Then he told his companions about the letter and added, he has also prohibited me from foreign any of you, okay, any one of you to do anything against his will. Okay. Enti wakai letter ni we ya no wakai mun se kire ne nkrofo a Muhammad de kan ho a wodo o manam no ene wo say emranso a wode ama no say mame mamu bia enye bibi ewo no ane peso okay enti Abdullah wono eneye leader ewo akromfo na Muhammad esoma wo mo makọ boss spy no Abdullah na ye leader wom enti ono na commande akromfo no yento ayenkomo so. And he was saying, therefore, any of you wishes to end martyrdom, let him come with me. But if not, let him go back. And all his companions went with him, and none remained behind. But Bahram, 2 of the travelers, lost the camel which they had been riding in tents, and they fell behind to look for it. Inti cheche okai let any mun sam kire wo mun nyina and wo say wo a opese ade na ye koye no unya so mfaso no di yachi wo a ompenso san wochi enti omo Muhammad de esoma wo mun nyina ni di nachi ene ne koy eka nipa mienu pe omo de na omo camel omo funumu omo de nante no na ayera enti they step back say womo hwehwe efunu no okay enti womo de omo ankobi mienu pe na ankobi wono omo akanyina na edi na chi ne koy okay I say all the companions went with him and none remained behind, but at Barhan 2 of travelers lost the camel which they had been riding in tents, and they fell behind to look for it. Into omuduru one of the inkurana bakwase ena omoyera omo efunu. Abdullah marched on the rest of his companions to Nakla, okay, Nakla, where they came upon a Quraysh caravan landing with raisins, okay, tied hides and various other goods, and and accompanied by 4 men. Enti omudru one of the cities in Arabia Peninsula. Omudru one woman say Quraysh for no akodibia, okay, womo akodibia omoba na omo caravan omo de bad womo goods bebrebe wo caravan ni mu a emema maako 4 na ebo ho ban. Okay, emema maako 4 na ebo ho ban. Enti yento ankomo no so. Was say this okay, was say when the caravan saw Abdullah and his companion, they were afraid because they have lightning so near to them. But when I say the Ukasha, whose head was shaved like that of a pilgrim, approached them, they recovered their confidence and said, these are pilgrims and we need to have no fear. Epachawati ase enti nkrofo Muhammad soma wo mo ne baako na wono na twaniti sede omo kọ bosomdan ne ho a wo mo wo yi a wo mo yie endani na nyina bosomdan wo mo kọ ho a wo mo wo yi o mo yi. Okay, ida say ubeyi utiri ho sakola na say ubeyi sweat yemfa tirinua afuo nkọ bosomdan ne ho enti tete no na Muhammad ne enya mekonka abosomdan ne nyina say ye no wo mo yi ne dada enti nya de foforo na ka kire mo say Muslims niema omo ye ne wo omo komeka omo koye nyina ya abosom niema na wo ho dada and including womo various homes and the omo practice nyina ya dia na abosomfo ne ye dada. Okay, enti omo hu no na ba ko atwaniti. Okay, e na wo approach you omo because sati omo hu Muhammad nkrofo omo yam hye omo because no omo be omo dada. Good evening minia. Now, Omabe, or say you can't even read well. Me pacha, I can't even read. Thank you. Me intimi read well. But I will yellow it as how they will understand me. Okay. I can't read it. I can't read well. But I will make sure I will yellow it. Or I will brew it. Or I will green it. For them to understand me. Thank you. Mr. Wonima Trenima Kenkai. I am not reading. I am reading. Okay. I am not reading, but I'm rather reading. Mini awako school. Winimunga dear papa. Also sunyakere. Why? Sunyakere. And sana wa babe condemn sankofa se winimu red, meaning blue, meaning yellow, meaning green, meaning black, meaning pink. Pepacha yantwa yenkomozo. And to say, when the caravan saw Abdullah and his companions, okay, and was say this took place on the last day of sacred month, that is Rajab, October. Abdullah and his companions, okay, offered among themselves. Was it they conferred among themselves, if we allow these people to continue and reach sacred territory tonight, they will be safe from us. And tonight, the last day, now omode ye friend say, omode ye abosomono, the month of Ramadan, okay? Month nemu enana womowura. Enti sada na the last day. Enti Muhammad na kromfo na wosoma wo no. Na kromfo na wosoma wo no. Ba ko kan say womu twashi womu hu no womu di nkomo say se ya hwe ni ye ne ya man kromfo through the sacred land, so that is Mecca as so enya de say ebetimi ayo okay, because even in that abosomfo time no, that month of Ramadan no, it was prohibited. Fighting was prohibited in that month. Okay. Enti enye new aya ene wokro enimu say when the sacred month pass away, meaning that sacred month na omo nkono. The same time ona abosomfo no ona na Muhammad enya meje meka ne mboso no. Me pacho na that sacred month no omo nkontoko wo. Eye adea na eye traditional culture for the Arabians. There be a mekachiro say Ubekoswa so Arabians abosonsom no so sa na wo ne se 172 virgins no ho na obehu say yes nipa ba asase so nyina no o pedie na wajimia ene wo a woji 72 virgins di ye no o te dia mekachiro enti wo mo kachiro mo say ye nhwe yie na ye mankrofo we koduru Mecca asase so a omo befo omo ho odi omo befo omo ho odi okay enti yanya ne quick omo fo omo ho adwene omo pese omo hu no kwa omo fa so a ekwan omo befa so a omo de eniema na omo be hia no omo de befa so because omo ho kire wo omo no omo commission ni nyina ho kire wo omo hia de omo bedi enti wo so omo hya ase ebokoro no yenko yanim wo enkomo no so okay. Was it this took place on the last month of the sacred month, that is Rajab, October. Abdallah and his companions confide among themselves, if we allow these people to continue and raid their sacred territory tonight, they will be safe from us. But if we attack them now, we profane the sacred month, okay, and they facilitate and hesitate to attack. But at last, mustered up their courage. Okay, mustered up their courage and agreed to slay as many of the Quraysh as they could and take possessions of what they had with them. So Waqid shot an arrow and unalive one of the Quraysh. 2 others were made prisoners and they fought freed. Okay. Enti wo mu said there dear drono e was ye keka niema boni na ye attacking crofo no. Yes. Ye mo mo fa japade ne nko. Ye nye hard na ye attack wo mo. Eneja omo hyase en wo mo toto wo mo jan gu wo mo so. En wo mo kunkum bie en nipa fo dwane ye en wo mo nya bi mu so a wo mo do wo mo be ye prisoners. Enti wo mo gi ejapade no ena wo mo nya nipa bi nso a wo mo be ka wo mo ho a wo mo do wo mo be ye prisoners. Enti wo makọ luti Qurayshfo no e wo kwa so akọju wo mo japade akokunkum Qurayshfo ni bi achichiri nipa ni bia wo ma ho odin timi wo mo no ena wo mo kunkum bie no ejapade a wo mo de ba no wo mo sa afaaye wo mo de kọ no wo mo de akomo wo mo master yentie se de nkomo no besi akọ ewa ebia no mentumi anka ni nyina but yes your friend say Ibn Ishaq surah 2 your friend say Sirat Rasulillah, okay, page 95 and American. Why page 95 na American? Enti chere fatuo so we now person who na ewa edoso kokai ni nyina na you are going to understand it. Yen shade. Enti o say then Abdallah with his companions, the caravan and the prisoners returned to Medina, saying 1/5 part of our plunder belongs to the apostle of Allah. The pacha show sasem we ebe pie Quran ni mu. Sade we be pie Quran so sata wono na aya ni nyansane. Hwade se e kire yansa na aya ni sane. Hwade sata wono na aya ni nyansane se wo mokọ no wo mokọ bossa akoro no no ejapade o mu benya no 1/5 of it eye Allah de the commission India na nyamba aye. Enti eye sa akoro no bo we na omokọ boye no ena Muhammad hu se da bi me nkorofo no ebuo no omode ma me na no odi ntisa na tie de wo se me ye ne mra me say Quran na kuta wo no enye nyankopon bi obo so no asase bi amra Quran no se wo tena se na wo check Islamic sources a wo benya every single thing bi e won bia no se eye nipa na kan ye ene abetwe de ahye nyankopon wani na ho. Okay, ento aso I say, then Abdallah with his companions, the caravan and the prisoners returned to Medina, saying 1/5 of our plunder belongs to the apostle of Allah. This was before Allah had made it, the incumbent on believers to give up a 1/5 part of any booty to him. 1/5 of the caravan was set aside for apostle of Allah, and Abdallah distributed the rest among his companions. The patches what I say. One say after this, and Muhammad says, "Sanete dia, and Allah ayan emradia man say, O man en crofon entias say, O muko lutua, lutin and yama ubenyana, 1/5 of it no ni Allah dia. Companions no, eko bo krono no, Edward who said there be a leader no. wo deserve say yam famano. Why should Muhammad make it a law? Why should it make it a law? Say, enya de beba beda ho. Inti womo say, according to friends, Sira no, after Sadie we see no, ena Allah de aya ne ba ebe ye no, emra edeman kremufo no. So no woman say Muhammad ya kromfo dada. Ha, because Muhammad ne soma womo, em womo kobo krono say de womunim who Muhammad was. They patch ye to common so. Okay. And it was when they arrived, and you know, wamo de 1/5 of Krono no amokobo ye no, eto homa wamo komsheni no. Ena Abdallah na woye leader no. Ene nkrofo na kan ho na wono amokobo Krono no. Wamo che ejapade omunya ye no. Ti woma tun ejan akodina courage for so. E wo kwan finfini. Ekum nipa ni bi. Achibi mo di woma ye prisoners. And womo japade and I womo niema oma kofa womo beton niema ahodo womo beton no Muhammad ne nkrofo no akoje and woma beche and woma fa yento aso and was say when they arrived at Medina, however, the apostle said, I did not command you to fight in the holy month. And he walked away from the caravan and the prisoners and refused to take anything from them. Okay. Enti omoba ya no Muhammad buofu because a month of Ramadan, which in Arabia it was a law say a new kwan say yakun so. And Muhammad and Krofon was suma almost enka womunko spy. Nebia anka after the month of Ramadan, woman who say omo kwa a coin say near the faso. Nombedi Muhammad bufu ye. Say a day bentina month of Ramadan makwa kokuntoko wum. Enti ade omode bayen Muhammad anje obo obesaje hwade me kan aduru ansa na me de ma obeje enti ode ento aso hwade enti was when okay was say and refused to take anything from them. The captors were the crestfallen and decided they were doomed, and their Muslim brethren too, reproved them for their deeds in Mecca. The Quraysh were saying Muhammad and his companions have violated the sacred month. They have shed blood in it and taken the booty and captured prisoners. The Jews interpreted interpreted the event as a bad omen for the apostle. Okay. And the news you need to make a phone and make a phone news. You know, say, Muhammad wabu the sacred mountain. Ye mante kono wabu ne meraso. Watwituo anase watwe ajan akokum nipa wom. Enti eyade a wabu mante ne meraso. Jiwfo no nso nim se eye mere wa asase ne so nti jiwfo ne ka se eyade a eye bone na ebeye nome edi Muhammad yachi. Enti jiwfo ne tan a Muhammad tan wo mo a wo inventive verse wo Quran ni mu se was say fight those who do not believe in Allah and the last day, including the people of the book, that is the Jews and the Christians and one. Muslims about no move defending and wow. Because Muhammad ya de any concept or more ye. Wamo yan krofwa na omonso spirituality womu bi. They know effective for a war when you go against the law, a kuta spirituality more. They know how it will end you. Muhammad, a bad omen, that is bad energy, anybody that because why are the any say, way. Okay. Yantwa and common way. Or say, okay. Papa. Yeah, was it these are pilgrims and we okay? I had a fan Meduria. Was it when they arrived Medina, okay? When the speculation on the subject became widespread, other reviewed these two words. Okay, let me say me we was say the captors. Me pacha facha me yento ayen common so. Was say the captors were crestfallen and decided they were doomed, and their Muslim brethren too reproved them for their deeds in Mecca. The Quraysh were saying Muhammad and his companions have violated in the sacred month. They have shed blood in it and taken booty and captured prisoners. The Jews interpreted the event as a bad omen for the apostle. When the speculation on the subject became widespread, Allah revealed these words to his apostle. They will ask thee about the sacred month and the fighting. Say, to fight in the sacred month is a matter of grave import, but to obstruct the worship of Allah. Okay. And abera asasem no epia abonte na omo hye ase so omo ka ho asem no na Muhammad na kasa no o invent a verse for himself. Say, man tini mo ntokwa kon no enye nanso say ade a etia ala ade a na che se eye no. Okay, yen to yen common so why said the American ewa said the American ewa nti na bia mentumi nkan ni nyina was say and not to believe in him to oh maybe I'm sure maybe just a second why o mako mo ho wo hu say me kan ya de bia tetenkre mo so ni 20 TikTok ashase pese wo end the program but me mo kwan nya botere ma just a seconds. Okay, yen to also was say and not to believe in him to prevent men from entering the holy mosque or to drive them out of it. These are of even graver import. Me pacha what you say enti Allah Muhammad chire ma be si say there be entokwa no say o makono sacred month ni mo de bema na ye bone ne say enye ntokwa ebesi nkrofo kwan wo gidie ne ho anase enye ntokwa ebesi nkrofo kwan ewo ala som ho na hwe se eya ade a ebesi nkrofo kwan wo ala som ho anase ala gidie mu dia ene mantini mu betimi yakon ne pa je wati ase ade no nso eye wo masase ne so wo chiwade Muhammad ne nkofa abevaluate enti no e was said no me bedi Muhammad ya chia Muhammad ya say inventive verse asade abehunu na ne nkrofo all the same yen to aso muntala mchiao it was say so the apostle of Allah took possessions of the caravan and the prisoners. Okay, the pachasimo hunu me catch them say oboa obeje onsa waje and the idea or say so the apostle of Allah took possessions of the caravan and the prisoners. The Quraysh sent men to negotiate for the ransom of the prisoners, but the apostle replied that he could not release them until the two immigrants who had fallen behind Abdullah, okay, to look for their camel return, because he feared the Quraysh might have met and harmed them. If you have unalived them, we shall unalive our prisoners. Okay. He said, but the two wanderers returned and apostle released the prisoners. One of them making possession, or say that one of them making profession of Islam and remaining in Medina with Muhammad. Enti wamokwache Allah nedes Muhammad ni meki inventive verse ede beye ade na woma ye no ade papa anase ade konkron no ena afe ejapade na omode baaye no a wo mu yi sa 1/5 ni si ni ho no wonu Muhammad na fedi ope ene wogye ena prisoners ni tu na eka ye no wo mo do wo baaye no so wogye ena Qurayshfo no esende masede ma Muhammad say won ka de obegye na omo meje omo nkrofo na Muhammad say on to me nyaye wo mo because ne nkora na osoma omo se omo nkobo koro no mienu amabi mienu no omo funu omo tena so omo de kobo koro no eyira yinti omo ani Abdallah chini na nko enti wo twen onte say omo be hunu sa kromfo ne mienu ansa na wo jai prisoners no enti sa akromfo ne mienu na ka chire ne bai omo baaye no na Muhammad say sa na tie de ne 2 prisoners no monko ena baako eka Medina because wa beje nkremosom na tum ena baako ekoye okay yento aso enti se wa hunu kwan na wo mofa so de accept nkremosom no wo se de bi se Muhammad ne wonye be ye woni okum nkrofo bi yes nyansafo kura betu sa na mo no wo be attack ye no okum nkrofo bi okay ena ye no so wo de ye ba ye no wo pa wo bekun ye wo pa wo beja ye ti se me beje nkremosom ne tum dia ma bo me nkwa ho ban ti sa na tie dia me nsan nko meka bio meka Muhammad ho na madan ne kremoni se de be ya next time dia no se wo kwa kokum wo mu a me de me pa me kobi me pa me nkobi because ye nkume ni ye Muhammad dia me pa ja wat ya say thank you it ye do go as well it was say when Allah made plunder was say the permissible, he allowed 4 parts of those who had won it and 1 part to himself and to his apostle, exactly as Abdullah had done with the captured caravan. Enti Muhammad yes ade anyway no and o divide e japade na ne die wo mo no ofaye so enti Muhammad no aside say enka oja prisoners na amana koro se ne free na kuma mu se de ne nkrofo ne koye ye ne nya ampa enka wo besa mo de krono no ajapade no mu ko wi ana sa akobak ana senka wo jai one of the prisoners na amana kono enko de ajapade ne be mena ko na enso wa anya ne sa ena ajapade no wo chaye ene wone ne nkrofo fae enti Muhammad ne krono a ne first a loot na okon lootu no wo caravan no okay sa Qurayshfo no ejani na wo mutuo na say wo modwadie na wo mudie no the first route na wo ko lootu ye no enie yento aso enti wo say meanwhile no it was say this was occasion when the first booty was taken by the Muslims enti first chrono omo boy no was taken by the Muslims when the first prisoner were taken by Muslims and when the first man was slain by the Muslims. It was 18 months since the immigrant had arrived in Medina. Okay, until Omudani free Mecca. Omudani free Mecca. Omutukotana Medina no. 18 months. After 18 months, I may more than 1 year. 1 year, 6 months. I want to about almost. Muhammad nankasa na ekobo den ne ho kire no enti dia da waswaye dia waswaye ne se wasuma ne nkrofo mu omokobo koro no se dia be ya ne nsa be kona no ontena se makom nku no ode nani to ala so a obawi ne mo na obawi ni ko bi kwa dokon na o tensa yemfa dokon ne mbre na wonfa wi ko bi no emma enti won tumi fa nani nto ala so e wo se wono wotu anamo no wokoto dokon se de be ya obetumi anya dokon wode ni ko bi bebo so Muhammad hunu se there be 18 months me nya adwuma me nkrofo nya adwuma we don't know how to survive nti wase ye dan akromfo wo desert no so ne ekobo wo mokro no at least omunim se ye no wo problem yeto aso okay was it this was the occasion when soon the apostle of Allah heard that Abu Sufyan, whom he had missed at Al-Ushara, Al-Ushara, was returning from Syria with a large caravan of merchandise, accompanied by 30 or 40 men. Then he addressed the believers, saying, "Go forth against this caravan. It may be that Allah will grant you plunder." The people soon assembled, though some were fearful and others hesitated because they had not thought the apostle would really go to war. I think things are making clear. Enti Muhammad, Emma ne nkrofo no equal spy. Omo koye no, omo gada afeman figo, omo bo okoro no, omo di bedru ye no. Muhammad was trying to do like ase ompe. He later accepted it. No, who say, "Hey, na se Jenny no, de sa, ene mate, se nipa bia, minimo no wo meka ama finu yiye." Okay, mate se yese, wamodi ejapade ne fufuro na eba na ejapade no mde eba de nipa be 30 na ebo ho ban. Enti agidifo no mo amagimi Muhammad ye de momra, amonye fast na monko hia nkrofo na mo no momfa nko siani. Bia na me bosom no ebema ye nkonimdie na ye nsa kan japade no na ye ho atoye ye didia me na ye ni agye. So some of them were afraid. Na bi musuro. Some of them were hesitating. Na bi mu twetwe wo. And some of them no omo anu omusuro no. Omo say na omunnim say Muhammad no ebeba ni tirimu mpo say obekwa akon. Edru die dena boga furu trotro. Edru die dena broni ebeka twi. What did you make attention? Muhammad ehunu say first one ya succeed, second one no the omode ba the door so. Enti munyina monka mo hombo munyina ma munya bi wo kire monka mo hombo na monko. I know say me bosom no obeye na dom amiensa kan japade no. Seba hunu Muhammad krono. This is what I've been telling you guys always. Na say nipa o ka kire yen say eye mekafo no na pen ntokwa. Ena ne ntokwa bia okokun ye bia ye revenge no. Me pacha san ntokwa we eye revenge na. Na otede ze to all the information. Ene because meka kro no watene mo pen. Woni mbra omo di kodwa, wono ankasa nso no woka adwadifo no. Woni mbra omo di kodwa, woni mbra omo mfa nkodwa, woni mda omo di kodwa, woni mda omo mfa nkodwa, woni mbabi omo ko de bia and woni mbabi omo ko. Enti da say so ye hunu se ha ne de ye kwa ya na dom ta akopa. Enti mo make sure se mbe kwa kolutu. Mpacha ye nto aso na ye nhwade. What's meanwhile, Abu Sufyan was approaching the Hijaz, gathering information, questioning every rider he met. Enti de na opeso okoba no krono no ono nso so onam kwa so no wo ba nyina no wo mo no wo bu hyiehye o mo wo kwan so a wo mo skuta caravan ni bia no o mo ba no wo gi information wo mo ho opeso ohun se bia Muhammad kromfo no wona na kromfo no abakwa no so ana enti ento aso o say at least he heard Muhammad has gathered his companions to attack you and your caravan greatly. And he sent off a messenger named Damdam to Mecca to call the Quraysh, protect their goods, and to warn them of the threats of Muhammad and his companions. And now all gather information or quite so. And at least when your information say, this particular caravan amode Muhammad aboa wane ne nkrofo ano omo be attack him no omo beji mo japade na firi nsem e na wono nso send a message e de come Quraysh for say Muhammad ya dwena wa fani o nti say ye dai be pacha wa no Mecca for the omo ba bia Muhammad ne kotena ne Medina kora no omo nkan no wanya wo mo hwie o Muhammad ya dane kromfo te desert no so all po wo mo kro no wo desert ne so se nipa we ufre we se nyankopon bi obo osoro no ya asase so mafo nyankopon no wo ampa wo ntwia wo ka wo wa wuji Muhammad di say nyankopon bi obo so ne asase somafo ni Muhammad no me ka kire say nyankopon no ho ampa no wote ase a wontua wo ka wo ba mu wo nye tantantan saa because ye nimgu ase ye atem didie say wo be bie wa no aka se Muhammad kromfo anu wote de so bo kroro no wo nyankopon be somafo enti ne kroro no na no wokobo no de de tulu nyira ye nyankopon obo so ne asase e de soma nso wonkobo kroro no mebo a okay yankoi o say when Daham arrived in Mecca, he cut off the nose of his camel, turned its saddle back to front, and rent his own shirt, and to indicate the alarming news he brought. Enti otwane camel hene ena waye di obetumi bia say said de be ya obemo wo mo ahunu obe alert wo mo nia ebe koso e wo kwan no so okay nti ba akwa dikaya ba Medina wa ba Mecca ebe bo Mecca fo na mane okay so yanto aso was he when Dam arrived in Mecca, cut off the nose of his camel, turned his saddle back to front, and rent his own shirt, okay, all to indicate the alarming news he brought. He shouted, "Oh, you Quraysh, your prized caravan is in danger from Muhammad. You may be too late to save it. Help, go now." The people hastening to prepare, exclaiming, "Does Muhammad believe this will be as easy a victory as Nakla? As Nakla? No, this time we shall teach him otherwise." Thus the Quraysh assembled, and not a well-born man among them remained behind, save Abu Rahab, who sent in his place a man who owed him money and who could not pay. Okay. Enti ni nso no ereche wo mo no na Mekafo ni nyina gadae meme wo mu nyina gadae no say this time de first one Muhammad associated this time no he will never succeed enye easy mfama no mo so boabo mo mema no na de wanko bi ye Abu Rahab wono no ye friend say Allah ede no ne ho verse eba a whole chapter of the Quran mu na wodomen wono ko na anko bi de ntia wanko bi ni say na wo bi a wode ne ka okay ti nipa na wode ne ka no o ka se nipa ni nsi na nem na won konkokon sa ntokwa no okay wo say ba yenye na yen kai ba ko penka ho na afi me nkopa ne so ko me ewa pa it was saying when Demad okay was it the apostle himself left Medina with his companions early in the month of Ramadan, December, leaving Abu Rubaba in control of affairs in Medina. And this time around, Muhammad Suman and Crofo Moko, the month of Ramadan, he came on Edward one Casan so the Eto, and na Ujaba coach say won't take care of Niama air course Medina. Muhammad Ati say, "Goose biba." And he was a fast. Na goose no woko na wode ne nkrofo ekobokoro na wo muluti ne mani nyina no omode ba na wo monte behwe wo mo enti wo say the white banner of the apostle was carried by Musab, and one black banner, the eagle, by Ali, and another by the helpers. There were 70 camels with the men rode in 10. Okay. When the party arrived in Al-Safra, a village between two mountains, the apostle asked the name of the village tribe and was told they were called Banu Arnal, sons of fire, and Abu Hurak, son of Benin. The apostle was uneasy and read an evil omen in the name. So he bypassed the village and the mountain. Okay. Enti otu ne ofana funumu a okono. Enkromienu okoto no okoto enkromienu wo kwan so no. Ena wobusa enkroni ni edi wo hu se enkroni din no eye pabene. Ti Muhammad hu se dabi enkroni din no tumi edi a kire so menko. Enka wo bo wura nkro no so akobokoro no. Pacha wote ye. Enka Muhammad bo wura nkro no so akobokoro no. Ti Muhammad hu se dabi enye yize mana so okọ ha enti one ne nkrofo ntwam. Me da se me wie sisi e me kai ba akopa aka ho. Why? Na me kai ba akopa nka ho na me ma okwan na bere mu bi. Where Badr, when the apostle of Allah arrived near Badr, he received news of a wheat boat. Okay, or say he received news of the whereabouts of the Quraysh and sent several of his companions to the well at Badr to investigate further. The companions brought back 2 slaves, watermen of the Quraysh, who confesses to Muhammad that the Quraysh are at the area of the sandfield. The apostle said, "How many men are there?" And they replied, "Many." He asked, What is their number? But the slaves said that they did not know how many camels do. They did not know how many. They did not know, okay. How many camels do they slaughter daily? The slaves replied, "Some day 9 and some day 10. And the apostle said, "Then they must be from 900 to 1,000 in number." Enti Muhammad eko soa ye timi konya Qurayshfo no mienu che wo as prisoners ena ototo wo ma no because na open information wo hunu wo dodo baby o monam na watoto ne niema ye said ye be ya krono na okobo no e be successful the man. Nti obusa prisoners na wonya wo mo no omododo ye say wo mo se wo mo dogs wo mu ni mu ano and was say camel say na ya wo mu kum na day and was say at times wo mu kum 9 anasa meboa was say they save the price some days 9 and some days 10 hand you was say they be o yet 9 they be o mu kum 9 they be o mu kum 10 and he said the number of camel na wo mu kum no and na kire wo dodo Muhammad nso no ono nso ye trader enti wonim say ye co trade na se ye kum 9 ya ye 900 ye kum 10 ya ye 1000 Muhammad say any wo mo be ye in between 900 and 1000 okay yanko ye ni we azen Muhammad. Meanwhile, 2 of the companions has gone back to the well to fetch water, and they overheard a conversation between 2 girls and tribesmen who said tomorrow or the day after tomorrow the caravan will arrive. Into oma bete kwaso, okay? Oma bete kwaso. Na eye Muhammad nkrofo ni mienu ena na wo mo kosensu wo gbura ho no wo mo ti nkonkonsem wo mo ti say caravan within a day and now within 2 days no ombeba bedru na say Muhammad ya bedu territory now obetumi abo omokoro no me pacha ye nto aso na menyana me fama no nsi mama me kan na papa o say Abu Sufyan however had escorted ahead of his caravan and he reached the water unobserved. After the 2 companions had left there, he asked the tribesmen if any stranger had been seen and was told. No one suspicious, except 2 riders who alighted near the hill, took water to fill their water bottles, and departed. Abu Sufyan went to the spot where they had halted and examined the camel during the found that it contained date stones. This is a folder of Medina, he exclaimed, and returning briskly to the caravan and diverted it from the road and along the coast and bypass Badr altogether. They hastened on beyond the reach of danger. And when Abu Sufyan decided the caravan had reached safety, he sent a message to the Quraysh army telling them they could return to Mecca. And you see, the wise Abu Sufyan, ono na ye leader na wodi caravan ani. Nti obusa ya wo hunu se Muhammad na nkrofo na mkwa so ba no. Wono nso ye de obetum bia se de Muhammad na nkrofo ntimi mbɔ no kro no. Nti wono nso tu ne camel di animu na wo request for information. Baby a Muhammad nkrofo mienu ko sensuo no. Wo kopie ho no obusa o mo no wo kyerente da bi nipa bia asama ha na emomu no nipa mienu bi na be sensuo ha no ma omo nimu no eye awoho. Okay. Na wako cheki baby omo ko sensuo no hunu se womo wo sa data bani bi ato ho no mo se no se da bi we ye ade a efiri Medina. Enti Abu Sufyan the wise man change ne kwan ne free Badal and what they to another way and I will lead in a caravan and we could do as we empty bra or more dodgy akoromfo no and we mo send a message at the man Mecca me mana or more back one say mon sign mochi na ejapadiero aba bedru. You see, enti Muhammad ne second chronobono answer CD yentu anko on his way. Medasi, thank you for making me number one. Was it but Abu Jahl refused to return to Mecca without giving a display of strength at Badr. We shall stay there 3 days, slaughter cattle, feast the people, drink wine, and be entertaining by singing girls. All the Arabia will hear of us, of our march, of our festivity, and they will respect us ever afterward. Therefore, let us proceed. One group who saw no further purpose in the expedition returned to Mecca, but the rest of the army followed Abu Jahl. Okay, enti Domino Muhammad edo omokobo krono no ebu ehunu se de bi mfa so bi amaso ade da ye koye na amfa ya ntoto ne emayi enti omu nyina sai emse osini pam yi ne sai omachi na dom na aka ni nyina edi Abu Jahl echi me pacho ye nto aso na menja na quick. Or say, but Abu Jahl refused to return to Mecca without giving a display of a strength at Badr. We shall stay there until Abu Jahl and then Crawford Akano echo your friends a Badr a Kromoneja, Omokoji money, Omosomo Kakoju money, na Omako Didia Konomon San, na Omama and Ma Atonoma Momo, because first one Oma succeed the Sika woman to meet me a Jew money. Okay. Was it the Quraysh army march until they reach the Sandy? Was it the fortress? Was it the foothills? Okay, on the western side of the valley of Badr, but they were impeded by rain and moods sent by Allah in the valley itself. Muhammad and his force were not so hampered, and they reached the well of Badr first and halted at the near of them. Al-Hubab inquired of the apostle if this halting place were the choice of Allah, and when the apostle replied that it had been selected according to his own strategy and according to no higher instruction. Muhammad, almost Muhammad amfane pa anye bibia adawo. Sana nkremofo ka. Muhammad amfa wono akasankasa ne pe anye bibia ada. There ne mate according to the biography of Muhammad, you know. Okay, biography of Muhammad, you know. Bia wo mu kodina na omo kobo krono na amfa no. omo question Muhammad no say there be we eye me ankasa de me pe wa bra instruction bia every authority baby ama enye obi ama instructions bia eye me choice na me choose you okay enti go mo kwan ko ya omo wu nkwase awu ala nsoma omo ala mani direction bia ala nka hwe ankyere Muhammad bia omo ko wu ya enkomo wu nkwase awu me the first. And they will say, Al-Hubab recall of the apostle, if this certain place were the choice of Allah, and when Allah apostle replied that it had been selected according to his own strategy and according to no high instruction, Al-Hubab said, then let the people arise and march to the world nest and the enemy on the way. Let us close up all the world well except the last around that. Let us make a reservoir and fill it with water. Then when we fight, we shall drink, but not the enemy. The apostle replied, thy advice is good, and thy acted accordingly. Some of the Quraysh, however, went down to reservoir, and the apostle said, let them drink. Okay, but only one man of those who drank survived the next day battle. This was Hakim, who later professed Islam. Okay, and this is how is it. Makachiro say o pese uhunu ni nyina bo modern say o be kind the surah your friend say the Sirah of Ibn Ishaq. The Sirah of Ibn Ishaq, okay? That is the Sirah of Rasulullah. Me pam cho meba mesre mo. Enti abusia me pam cho me de manu osi. Who request bi a obetumi asende na wa join program no. Ene eye Muhammad. Ne kromfo ana oye ene kwan a o start ne kro no. Ewo your friend say desert ne so na wo sha ase say Quraysh fo no ankasa ye ne nkrofo no wo bo wo mokro no me pa chaw obi anya manti ma me nto akenkan ne so kakra why obi anya manti ma me momodin say mesan ato aken ewa obi anya manti o de ma me nto so kakra. Was it that night Quraysh sent Umar to spy out the number of the companions. He circled the army, then returned to report. They are little more or less than 300 in number, but give me time to see whether they have any other men in ambush on their reserve or in reserve. He again departed and rode some distance, but returned and said, I have not seen anything. But listen to me. But listen to me. Battle bring misfortune. The camels of Medina carry sudden death. These men have no other refuge or protection than their sword, and I believe that not one of them will die without first unaliving one of us. If one of us dies for every one of them, what will life have to offer after that? Okay, enti omo mekafo no a ye bebo omo krono no a omo no de squad de ba ya omo person ka omo betre Muhammad ne nkrofo nyansa no omo soma ba akoma ne kobo spy no se e don me koye no musa nipa ba 300 pe what you say ene wo ho nti media me hu ni say entokwa no emfa so bia mreye se enkrofo no yebekun wo mo a gise yemu baako awu yemu baako wu an ye ni bebere am yekun wo mo enti nka wono de otu omfo hu hia se ma ye no wo mo nko because after all entokwa na de be na de beba tio omo no a enye nyankopon bi obo so ne asase no se de mo nkramofo mo se ena no wo mo som no no wo mo mpokura hu no yiye se yakoto hye Muhammad so okum ne nkrofo no emfa hwe ma nanso Muhammad esoma ne nkrofo ma o mu kokum wo omo adwia wo mo japade eto mo hu se after all no etwam enwo hia se yebekọ akoto Muhammad ne nkrofo akokun because obusa yenim se yedoso yakọ mo so yebekum wo mo nyina at the end no de ba de na bebere. This is abosomfo enye nyankopon bi obo so na asase na somafo no a komishani ne soma wo no. And if abosomfo can have sympathy for nipa, how much more ene nyankopon obo so ne asase ne somafo ene ne nkrofo me ka kire sa opo mu anu omo som nyankopon obo so ne asase a esomo Abraham bi ba yampa wodi beja ye no sa som na na no wo som enti ne wo do mo ho ne omu bu omo na omu suro mo jehwe ego Muhammad kromfo wudi ni kofa abosom kese a wo mu no pesa wodi ni bedi wo mo so ni nti no o hya asese odi awu Allah na nso so no we the moon god of sin abone ya dia na ni je ho timon kona mun kokun wo mo bera abosomfo nse da bi se yekum wo mo a ye nyamfa so bi emfere kum na ye bekum wo mo so ye nto ayen komo so. It was said then Utbah rose and addressed the Quraysh. You will gain nothing by attacking Muhammad and his companions if you conquer him. Many of his men bring our kinship. You will never escape the looting of those fellow Quraysh who kinship you have slain. One of them, I was on one of them, Muhammad didn't call at the end, you know, ye kase ye koto ahye omo so ade ne ebenya omo nkasa na kwam ya hen omo wo hen wo modi ahen omo ni hwe omo ho kwatere kwa ti se ye ne omo ko ne ye kokon kora no ye nya hwe mfiri omo nti mom ye nya omo at least omo sa nkrofo ni mu no ye wo omo busua ake omo busua e wo meka asase so se ye ne omo kokokon na ye kokokun sa nkrofo no mabusua wo meka asase no so no ye mfa ye hunni. Okay, because say ye kum wo mo a wo mabusua no a ebe ha wo mo obo nso ye part of that timodi emu nya wo we ye abosomfo ni mpo Quran ne say Allah na obo so ni asase ne say Muhammad ye nkrofo na wo mo nyi Allah eni no Quran sura 47 ayat number 4 me wi amekan de a kire Okachire Muhammad say wommiemia wo momene na womu bu wo mu nsem we ye omo nyi ala ni no nanso omo ya bosomfo ni hunu nyansa omo ya bosomfo na sebe omo nso mbonsam se de mo nkramofo no kan hunu nyansa se da bi at the end of the day yekum ya busuafo yekum a ya se ye ne ya nkorofo yekum a ye nyamfa so obi amfiri so se mi busuani ni mu a mekunu a ebia na de wani ye chiama bi no ni busuani bi o me yekunu o ma ye mfa ye hunni weyi abosomfo ni nyansa na ala nyansa wa hene Muhammad nyansa wa hene efutu papa be na ala editu Muhammad ne nkorofo o me nyansa mra madwen ne ka kire wo me se wo fe se nyamesom bi na wo besoma ko obusuam ko busa wo nana wonni ene wo se wo nananom ko ne ko busa wo mo se esom be no mo betu nu wo fi o mo kan kire you are now ready to follow it because who say number 1 na Muhammad ye kromfo number 2 Allah enye obi a na odwen nipa ho se de na abosomfo ni dwen nipa ho nyesa na Allah dwen nipa ho enti wo hunu ye se da bi Allah can never be nyankopon obo so ne asase because on ni pa ho sa abosomfo timi edi nyame a ni ono na boss so no asase achi na mo dwene nipa ho ni se nkofo ye kokun omo ye yabusuna ye kuoma ye nyamfa so obi amfiri so a eye de na ono Allah na boss so ni asase timi ka kire Muhammad se won kan kire ne nkrofo se oyere o ma wo nuanom o papa o maame ebusua a wo firi mu ene wajapade awowo no se som wo bo eche Allah ne komsheni a tenase kopem se Allah ede na setwen beba wo so Ensura 9:23 to 24 was it don't be allowed with even your family meaning say menyene wo mo ho sa akone town ni se wo ko a enyene kura se wo busuani bi once he is not part of Muhammad nkrofo ne de yam wo mo awosonfo nse da bi ye de ya antete ensa ye nyame na ye di na chi no ya wofo da tete ye no ene kwan tene na wo de ye fa so no wo ma nkyere ye se agimi sem no enyame ni nyimi se de ala agimi no enti ye de ye nye sa de no ye nko ye ni we ya ye hwa de enti o se it was a his o se was it then Utbah roses and addressed the Quraysh. You will gain nothing by attacking Muhammad and his companions if you conquer him. Many of his men being our kinsmen, you will never escape the looting of those fair Quraysh who can shape you slain. Return therefore, and let Muhammad fight with the other Arabs. But Abu Jahl snared, his lung swollen with fear at the sight of Muhammad and his companion. Okay, until they were two women for no. And about original say a yehu na abono. Or name Muhammad and Kofo. We shall not return until Allah decide between us and Muhammad. Okay. Once again, Abu Sufyan say, Abdul Mejoso. Once again, Abu Sufyan say, Debbie, Abu Sufyan say, Debbie, we are not going anywhere until Allah decide between us and Muhammad. Hey, clap your hands for Sankofa. So Abu Sufyan say, yeah, Debbie, a man who Muhammad in an microphone until say Allah be decided between yen apostle yani Muhammad inti. So once again, abra Muhammad claim say Allah be obo so ni asase no de abra nkrofo nyini ni no na apostle ni Allah already inti wo mo can say we are not going until that Allah no decided between yen and Muhammad. They knew Allah already. Thank you. The kind where we not many guests be na me den komo no si e da foforo be sa to so enti o say we shall not return until Allah decide between us and Muhammad and his companions. Okay, we said and Muhammad, and he sent a message to Amr that the man whose brother had been unalive at Nakl, Nakla, the first man unalive in Islam, your ally wishes to turn back, arise, therefore, and avenge the murder of your brother by leading the people on to fight. Thus the flame of war was found. The Quraysh became fixed in their evil course, and advice of Utbah was where the name was it the advice of Utbah was that is spawned. Okay, inti omuhunu said there be Muhammad edika yakọ akokun yankofo ni bi akokun omo inti wasa yakon yakon emano na yede revenge inti ye otu omofo no omutwa na futu no eboye inti yento ankomo nso ga was when Utbah heard of we shall see what of us we shall see which of us two is the coward, and sought a helmet to put on his head, but he could not find one in the whole army to fit, because his crew was so great. So he wrapped a piece of cloth around his head. Enti di otu fo no a omontie no. Also okay, sama ka amate. Samu se me yehufuo. Mehwe se menemo yehu woni mu a. Enti na ope helmet de ahye. Na empanifo se na ne ti so. Enti wanya helmet bi amfa nhye na ode ntomago echiche ne ti. Enti twimasi tikese ekwa akon ye nya na helmet amfa nhye no. Okay. Yentu aswe. Was say soon the apostle of Allah saw the Quraysh entering the valley, and he prayed, Allah, these are the Quraysh with their arrogances and vanity, who have offended thee and accused thy prophet of falsehood. Oh Allah, grant me thy promise, aid, and also the and annihilate was spawned. Okay. Was it when Utba no he found the bedruya. Okay, and it was say and annihilate them this day. I think say a humiliate. Okay, because where they not may that is bit me a humiliate, but annihilate. Okay, annihilate them this day. It was say the battle of Badr took place on Friday morning, the 17th day of Ramadan. One man of the Quraysh, a vicious, quarrelsome fellow, now stepped forth from the army and said, I called Allah as witness that I shall drink from their reservoir and destroy it or die in the attempt. Hamza advised to do the battle with him, and when they met Hamza, strike him valiantly and seved his leg between the knees and the foot. The man fell on his back, and the blood from his leg spurted towards the Quraysh army. But he dragged himself onto the reservoir to redeem his vow. Hamza slew him there. Okay. Enti omukoshia omono na Muhammad nkrofo na dom na eba ne doso unyane nkope baabi mfa na ba akoye ne ho gagai. Me kwa kushia omono am no komakon omoye hwan. Allah kom cheni abompaye. Yeah, it is annihilate. Yeah. Ne kwa kushia omono me no omakon. Allah at least Allah commissioni abompae na ba konso kadavim meto ano oduru wo na eja isun ye pa wo hunu se de esi bobbo ne twitwa no bubu ne na musi kororeti na eja osan na chi kope ba bi te ajewate ase gojo unse ne ntokwa na ana odene enti amunumu wa wo mukumba ko. Okay, was say next Utba came forth flanked by his brother and his son, and uttered the challenge to single combat. 3 men of the helpers stepped forward, but the Quraysh refused to fight with them and cried, let us fight with equal from our own tribe. Of Allah gave them, also they Ubaidah and Hamza and Adi, and they said, agreed, these are noble and our equals. Ubaidah confronted Utbah. Hamza confronted the brother of Utbah and Ali. Okay. Enti ewa, okay. Adiana ewa, mekasa mekanya, nti mesere bomodin say, ubeko WhatsApp TV, mejo so me hoye pa, bomodin say, ubeko akokai, eye Sira of Ibn Ishaq. Okay, the Sira of Ibn Ishaq, Sira of Rasulillah, page 95. Checking Google. On Sabeka. Okay, on Sabeka fast. Now, also about more than our kind. Now, what you say the city. once again sankofa maba ma bɛkyerɛw sɛ na Muhammad madika ma Quran verses Muhammad invented verse na opɛ so wɔde bɔ no ankɔfo ada po by requesting consultation fee omontua enti Muhammad can say no Muhammad ko wi a red velvet according to the Quran omokoye na ade na yira wo kro no omokɔbɔ ye ni mu omanyu obi amfa hyere sɛ Muhammad because no mu say we kronfo. The third one and then ma be prove the actual say okay destroying completely medasi Abdul Raf medasi baby enti and then so my ba be kyerɛw ekwan a Muhammad Faswa was starting a chronobo. Say ya wutie Muslims na omota ka say the first fight between Muhammad and the Quraysh was the fight of Badr. Okay, the first fight between Muhammad and the Quraysh, you know, a fighter a course so a Badr. Okay, sa fighting and so a Muhammad ne course said ye can see no. Ye can see no. Na ono ankasa ne nkrofo mo ankasa books na dan na didi akere se eye Muhammad ene di ka soma ne nkrofo se omonko spy crash for no during the month of Ramadan omoko ye no omokobo omokro no ekunkum ni pani bi kura safa bi mu prisoners e de buy Muhammad omode bre Muhammad no Muhammad ye no said ye wompe afa de wo invent first e ma kro no omokobo ye no eye holy krono de ma wo enti Muhammad ne nkrofo che Muhammad hunu se ade no de no na sika wom na ede ahunyade bebre no ena the next step ono ankasa Muhammad ne nkrofo nyina ka ho bom ena omko se nko omo sa koluti wo second time ena mema ewo meka asase so that is crazy mema no ka omo bom se da bi ye ntena se ma Muhammad nkoso ntena desert so ninsamfo we will go and fight Muhammad enti ho and this the fight of Badr no ebae. The fight of Badr no ehon e de bae. Enti eye Muhammad ne start ye na emomo no enye Quraysh for no ne start ye. Medase. Medase. Am say meye na me de manu osi. Na wo video no wenye bia nhwe from beginning no. Alopa me de beto YouTube page ho. Obekọ akohunu na wonso na wakohe na wonso so no watch a video from the beginning but the American say o pese o kan story na unhunu okay ene damechi no Sirat Rasulillah, the early biography of Muhammad, okay, by Ibn Ishaq, page 95 Ibn Ishaq Sirat Rasulillah never page 95 esoso obekenka ni nyina de akwa akosi ubonu sensem asankofa kana. That is what it is. Muhammad was a thief, no ye kromfo. Muhammad was a pedophile. Okay, you know. Na ensem fata se enka sebe with all due respect we ye nyansani na wadwene mo ba na we go deep into nkremosomo no a we accept Muhammad as a prophet. Medase makrao let's say shout afoforo bye. If you need to, you can